Hello, my name is Jaime and today we are going to test the project 2 of the CS50 course called PageRank. So the first thing we are going to do is go to the folder of PageRank and open a terminal. Okay, then we are going to run the program called PageRank.py, and first we are going to test the first corpus 0. Okay, we touch enter and we get that the results from sampling is this and the results from iteration is this. Like we can see, the results are more or less equal, so that is correct at least. If we run again the program, the results from sampling are going to change, but the results from iteration are going to be the same because it's a mathematical formula. So we can see this is different and this is equal. Okay, now we are going to test the other corpus 1. Okay, we get the similar results. Like we can see, here we have 4 pages, but the results still are similar. And finally, we are going to test the last corpus 2. If I enter, we see that this is the results from sampling and this is the results from iteration. Like we can see, here the results are a bit different between the sampling and the iteration, but this is because in the sampling results, we take the random page, so these results are possible, not always but sometimes, but they are similar too. And this will be the functionality of the second project of the course. Bye.